What you're seeing is many things coming together to create this effective scene. You've got an actor, you've got lighting, and best of all, you've got incredible sound effects. Let's take a closer look.
Wait a minute! That's a fake chainsaw! It's a freaking box! With a foam blade! But wait, all that sound, we thought it was real! The Minion FX System! Like this? Amazing! So how does this work? Oh, it must be this key fob with 6 buttons! You can wirelessly control the Minion? From how far away? 30 to 50 feet? Awesome! What else can it do? You can do lighting effects, motion with servos and motors, all kinds of stuff. Amazing! You really had me fooled with that. Is that a baby wolf? The Minion FX System.
The Minion FX System. Get yours today. Long life, internal, rechargeable, lithium-ion battery included.
You've got an actor, you've got props, you've got costuming. And the power of audio. Let's take a closer look.